So quantifier first order logic. So previous video, what is first order logic? How it came? So how the extension of proportional logic, that is we saw previous video. And now the first order logic is a quantifier. What is quantifier? Quantity. You know. So language element quantifier is generate the quantification and quantify the specimen. So it permit determine or identify the range of the variable of logical expression. So here there are two types of quantifier. One is universal quantifier, another one is extensional quantifier. Universal quantifier for all, everyone, everything is a general one. For generally we can for all we are point out everyone everything like that. So universal quantifier. General existential quantifier means so it's a for some at least one. So it's not a general one. You have to appoint at least one person or one group or one some particular. So that is called as existential quantifier. So automatically it finally it give the quantity of the particular object or people. So see universal quantifier. So universal quantifier it's a symbol of logical representation. You know that the universal quantifier is represented as a symbol like inverted A. That's a symbol of universal quantifier. So the statement which range is true and everything is instant to particular thing. So universal quantifier which resembles an inverted A, you know, which resembles an inverted A. So universal quantifier we can use implementation like that ampersand. Example, so all men drink coffee. So let you know assume this program. So x1 drink coffee, x2 drinks, then x3 drinks. And here what's the statement? All man drinks coffee. But suddenly, uh, they are not all people drink coffee. The x3 drink milk only. So, but human mind, how they will be think? So all the man drink coffee means so human mind also think x1, x2, x3 up to x of n also. First of all, the sentence is all man drink coffee. That means all are man. So that there is no woman in that part. So that is our human mind will be think. So they put it only three type of people what they are doing, but they said all men drink coffee means so yeah all people come to help that people you know next extensional quantifier example, variable extension qualifier, some boys are intelligent. That's another example. So here x1 is intelligent, x2 intelligent, x3 so like that people they have some intelligent or not whatever it may be. But what's the question? Some boys are intelligent. So some boys means so few boys are intelligent, so others are also boys. So they can consider our brain will be imagined. So there, so all our boys are presenting. So this is called as extensional quantifier. So shorthand notation we can write it as 3x inverted ex bias of x and inverted intelligent of x. So this is we can write it. And properties of quantifier. Properties of quantifier. So in universal quantifier, if the inverted of a x inverted of a y is similar to inverted of y and inverted of x. An extensional quantifier that inverted of e x, then inverted of e y. So this is similar to inverted of y and x. The inverted of e x and inverted of a y is not similar to unit of y and e of x. So if the main variable is same, the x and y will be changed. It's not a big trouble. The property of quantifier. The main variable is different. Then you could in if the variable different, then extension variable also you can change it. But if your main variable different, then it's not similar to other variable. So that is called as property of quantifier. Some examples of first order logic using quantifier. All bats are fly. The question is predicate fly and bat. All since are all the fast who fly. So it can be referenced as a follow. It just stated v of x bat and a integral fly of x. So every man respect his parent. So since every man so will use invented a, every man respect his parent, and it will be referenced as a follow. Px man fs respected to x and parent. So some boys play cricket. So where games connected to the boys, it will be represented as 3 of x and plays cricket. And fourth, not students like both mathematics and scientist in this game. So the predicate like x and v where x student and y. Then inverted of ax standard x of like mathematics like scientists. So only one students filled in mathematics. So factors that students, since the student failed in mathematics and will not following representing for this. So what about three of x is a students so failed. If nothing is there, then mathematics. Then they can travel. Use that failed x mathematics. Okay, thank you.